Yes, I had gone for jogging.
At this hour?
Adi, at least I'm trying.
Right, Dad. Dad, I'll be back soon. The watch is working. Zoya. It's midnight.
This happens every day. But today, after so many days, you are here.
Oh, so you thought you have met me after so many days, so you came to ruin my sleep, right?
No, I thought that since we have met after so many days, so why don't we have some ice cream and increase our bonding and all?
You want to have ice cream. But where do we get at this time?
It's available everywhere. Any shop or any vendor would definitely have it. See, when you came back, I was not able to spend any time with you. So much was happening around. The police was all set to arrest me. There was so much of drama going on. So I thought, why don't we have some ice cream today and then we can catch up. Let's go.
Zoya,
Yes?
I think it's too late. Why don't we go tomorrow?
Are you refusing me, Aditya?
I'm refusing you.
No, you can't refuse me.
I can't refuse you.
No, you can't refuse me this entire week. You have to oblige me no matter what I say or demand.
Why?
Because you left 6 months ago without saying anything, without saying any goodbye, without meeting, so you will be punished for that. Now you will have to put up with all my demands and all my wishes, Aditya.
But... Now where do we get that ice cream?
Come, I'll tell you. Here you go. Here's your ice cream. And here's mine.
You are having 2 ice creams.
I'll have two. You also want to? Should I get
No,
it
no,
for you?
no, no, no. One is enough.
Think again. The mango flavor is really amazing. Would you like to taste it?
No, no, I'm good.
How is your ice cream?
It's nice. Do you want this one too?
I just want to taste it.
Should I get it?
No, no, no. I just want to taste it. I just want a bite. What a miser you are, huh? You've become a miser after going to Paris. It's just a bite.
Okay.
Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. It's raining! Ah! Oh, dear God. You know, in these 6 months, I have learned one very specific thing about Mumbai. That it can rain anytime here.
I know.
And that it can stop anytime.
Zoya, just check if you have fever.
I'm absolutely fine. Why?
Because you have changed a lot, it's difficult to recognize you.
Change is the definite law of life. But one thing that will never change.
What is it?
It's our friendship. Never.
You look good the way you are. You should always remain the same, happy and full of life. In fact, I want to know more about you. I have to see how you work. I'll get to see it when you will manage the 35th wedding anniversary of my parents.
Look, I know I gave you my consent, but you know, I'm not able to make up my mind. Look, I will recommend you very good event managers to you, and I promise I will discuss everything with them.
Zoya, why don't you manage it since you are doing it?
You don't understand, Aditya. Your mom doesn't like me at all.
So, what is more important to you? Should your client like the party or the party's manager?
Aditya, please, why are you spoiling their fun?
Hey, nothing will be ruined, don't worry. You organize such a good party so that their enjoyment is doubled. Zoya, she's your client. She should like the party. She's not your mother-in-law.
What are you saying?
What else? She should like the party, right? Just say yes.
Okay, since you are insisting, so... And as it is, I cannot refuse anyone in this week, so I will also not refuse you.
Thank you.
Life is quite like an ice cream, friends. It melts if you hold on to it for a long time. So don't just stare at it. Don't postpone anything. Do whatever you have to do today itself. And keep listening to Radio Zindagi.
They talk nonsense.
Don't let your life get away from you, Mr. Aditya Huda. Now raise the volume. I really love this song.
बेपनाह सी मोहब्बत की है, दिल भी यही चाहत की है, तेरे बिना मेरा लागे ना जिया, अब तेरे लिए ही धड़के जिया, मेरे दिल को तेरे दिल की जरूरत है, मेरे दिल को तेरे दिल की जरूरत है, मेरे दिल को तेरे दिल की जरूरत है, मेरे दिल को तेरे दिल की जरूरत है.
Hey, what are you doing here? Come out. Come on. What are you doing inside?
You sit here, I'll go and check. Yes, sir.
What was going on inside? Should I arrest both of you on obscenity charges?
What did you say?
Obscenity. Are you deaf? Can't you hear?
What is the problem, sir? Please talk to me.
Ma'am, I'm speaking to sir.
You...
Hold on, I'll handle it. You please talk to me as well. So, tell me what is the problem? You are calling my husband obscene, and then you expect me that I should listen to this without even saying a word.
What?
What?
Husband, he's my husband. He's my husband. We were just enjoying some ice cream in this wonderful weather, and you were just being a spoiled sport standing
Is
here.
he your husband?
Yes.
Are you married to each other?
Yes.
It doesn't seem like that.
Come on, sir. Should I deck myself up every day as a new bride? And if you don't believe me, then you come to our house. I will show you the marriage certificate.
Where's your vermilion and nuptial chain? How do I believe he's your husband?
So I think you guys have been seeing a lot of TV serials. Now, will I wear a nuptial chain and apply vermilion in the night as well? Okay, do one thing. Do you know DCP Singh?
DCP Singh?
Yes, I know him very well. Just give me my phone, Aditya. Give it. But let me tell you that he was invited for a wedding reception as well. Come on, I'll dial his number and... Here, take this. You call him up and ask him
Ma'am,
yourself.
let it be. Why should we disturb him in the night?
Isn't it? Sir, it's such a lovely weather. You also take your girlfriend or wife for a drive as well. You'll get into a good mood.
I'm sorry for the trouble, ma'am.
It's okay. Good night.
You both can leave and get a good night's sleep.
Yes.
Husband.
I saved us.
Okay, hang up now.
You first?
You first.
No, you first.
No, you first. Okay, all right. Let's do this. Let's hang up together.
Okay. 1,
2.
3.
You didn't disconnect, right?
Even you didn't disconnect.
Arjun, can I say something? You know, I feel like talking to you like this all my life. Listen, I love you.
I love you too, my Noor.
Okay. Let's disconnect now, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Crazy.
Whom were you missing, Noor?
Dad, it was no one, Dad. I was just,
Let me have the phone. I said, give me the phone.
Dear Lord, please save me, please. I am so doomed today.
Password? A.
That would be me. Right? Dad, I got ice cream for you. Here, take it.
What?
And this is for you. Your favorite double chocolate chip ice cream. There was no need to butter me up for just a small ice cream, Noor. I love you, I miss you and all of that. I don't know whether she was saying it to me or she was saying it for the ice cream.
Oh, so she was talking to you.
Yes.
You both are so grown up. But you still behave like kids when you're at home. Good night, both of you.
Enjoy your ice cream, Dad.
Thank you so much, Zoya. If you hadn't come today, Dad would have killed me.
Look, Noor, the next time Dad will surely kill you if I don't get there in time. Listen to me, Noor. You have to gather up the courage and say this to Dad. You must have read that Ghalib's poem. Love is anything but simple. It's a sea of fire. And you must drown it to cross to reach your destiny. Sea of fire? Dear God, that reminds me I have to tell Sean that he has to reach the Huda house at 12 p.m. tomorrow.
Hey, hold on, Zoya. Are you so scared of the Huda house?
It just scares me to death, Noor. Hold your phone. I have to go.
Zoya?
Aditya, you cannot ask Zoya to take such a risk.
Are you mad to say that, Arjun?
Aditya, you know very well that mom hates her. And Zoya meets mom, then it would be like leaping into a sea of fire.
I hate that line. Never repeat it.
Hello, it doesn't matter whether I say it or not. You may have forgotten that. Zoya is my friend too. And I don't wish for mom to be rude to her.
Arjun, you may have forgotten that mom is in a bad mood. That's why she's behaving like this. When she'll be happy, she'll be normal. First of all, my mom-in-law is upset and living in the US. She should come back and reconcile both of them. She should make mom understand that Zoya isn't her enemy. Then only things will work out.
Aditya, you are absolutely correct. But Aunt Sakshi never answers the call.
It's worthless even if we talk to her right now. I spoke to her. She turned me down. I have an idea. Yes, we can We both will make a video call to her. How can she deny us after looking at us?
You're right, brother.
Let's look sad.
Sad.
Arjun, listen. We'll try it one more time in the morning. Good night.
And especially I would like to thank a very special person who, while fighting with me, taught me to fight for my own existence. He always challenged me. He kept on saying, Zoya, do this and do that and prove it. And I failed to recognize when those challenges just turned into my own courage. And I have a right to fight with you. You can't refuse me this entire week. Because you left 6 months ago without saying anything, without saying any goodbye, without meeting, so you will be punished for that. Now you will have to put up with all my demands and all my wishes, Aditya. First of all, you're calling my husband obscene, and then you expect me to listen to this sitting inside without even saying a word.
Zoya, I'm glad to see the changes in you. I just hope that our relationship and our equation continues to stay like this.